Hi, my name's Kelly, and we're here today with FacePaintcom, and this is my model, Valentina, and today we are painting a sheep. So for this sheep, I put down a white base, and then I filled in underneath her nose and the very bottom of her nose with pink down over her top lip. And then I filled the bottom lip with pink also. I did pink on the outsides of the eyes and pinks on the insides of the ears. And then I took a medium brown and went around and lined the design out, going around her eyes also and down the bridge of the nose. Then I blended the brown and added some black in the end, some black lashes and some glitter on her nose. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe to the FacePaint.com channel. All of the products we've used today are listed below in the links. And thanks for watching.